Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I'm going to share with you 4 different chutney recipes. This is the recipe of red chili and mint coriander chutney. It's a very hit recipe during Ramadan. So let's begin with the ingredients. I have 1 bunch of coriander and 1 bunch of mint, 10 cloves of garlic, 4 large green chilies, around 12 whole red chilies, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 cup of tamarind pulp and 1 tablespoon of salt. We will take a blender, add tamarind pulp, garlic, cumin, whole red chili, green chili, mint leaves, coriander, and we will simply grind it. Now our chutney is ready. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt in it. Just give it another stir on the machine for like few seconds. This should be the consistency. The chutney needs to be quite thick. Now I will simply store it in a sterilized glass jar, or it can stay in the fridge for around 15 to 20 days. All you need to do is just don't use the used spoon inside the jar in which you are keeping it. I'll share with you the pictures. Do try it and let me know your feedback in the comments. Mint, coriander and green chili chutney. Let's begin with the ingredients. I'm going to use around half a cup of coriander, half a cup of mint leaves, 3 green chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of whole cumin, 1 cup of yogurt and salt as to taste. We will put all these ingredients inside a blender and we will grind it. First we will make a mixture of these ingredients and then we will add the yogurt in the end. I'm going to add all my ingredients inside. I will add salt and yogurt in the end. Take the grinded chutney out of grinder and add the yogurt. Give it a good mix. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. My mint raita or green chutney is ready. Let's begin with the tamarind and date chutney. I have taken around 8 to 10 dates. I have removed the seeds from the dates and I put them into the hot water to make them a little bit soft. 1 cup of tamarind pulp, salt as to taste, sugar around 2 tablespoons. I'll be using 2 cloves of garlic, 1 small piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon kala namak or black sea salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, whole cumin, 1 teaspoon of crushed red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. We will add 1 cup of tamarind pulp, dates, garlic, ginger and we will grind this mixture. Now we will strain our tamarind and date mixture. After straining the mixture, I will add all the spices into it. Sugar around 2 tablespoons. I'm simply eyeballing it. You can increase or decrease the amount of sugar and salt as per your taste. Now after mixing all the ingredients into this mixture, I will put it on the stove and I will let it cook until the chutney started thickening. Add at least 1 cup of water. So now I'm going to cook my tamarind and date chutney for around 30 minutes until the chutney is thickened. My tamarind and date chutney is now ready. It has been reduced to half of the actual quantity. This is the consistency that I'm actually looking for. Next chutney that I'm going to make is tomato and tamarind chutney. So for this I am using 1 can of plum tomatoes, 3/4 cup of tamarind pulp, salt as to taste. I'll be using around 1 teaspoon. You can increase or decrease the quantity of salt. I'll be using 2 cloves of garlic, 1 small piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon of black sea salt or kala namak, 1 teaspoon of crushed red chilies, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I'll take the blender jug, add all the ingredients, add tamarind pulp, garlic and ginger and I will grind it. Strain this mixture. If you don't have plum tomato, you can use regular tomatoes. Just boil them, remove the cover and grind them. Now I will add all the spices into this chutney and we will start cooking it. I will add 1 cup of water and put this mixture on the stove to cook. Now I am going to cook my tamarind and tomato chutney for another 30 minutes or till the time that chutney is thickened. Okay, now my tomato and tamarind chutney is ready. You can see it has been reduced to almost 3 times lesser than what it was in the beginning. This is the consistency that I am looking for. Now I will dish it out and share with you the pictures.